Hello amigos, my name is Jatin and welcome to my channel TECHYRATORS. In this video, I am sharing my experience of giving RHCSA certification exam. And if you are planning to give RHCSA certification exam or you have already registered for it, then I can clear all your doubts regarding from where you can practice, what you need to do to clear this exam in your first attempt, and I am also sharing some special tips to clear that exam. So, without wasting any time, let's get started with this video now. So first, talking about RHCSA. If you don't know about it, it's an entry-level certification exam in Linux operating system organized by the Red Hat. Its full form is Red Hat Certified System Administrator. It's a basic entry-level exam to test your basic knowledge in Linux operating system. You can give this exam to test your knowledge or to add this in your resume, as this adds a plus point in your profile. Now talking about my experience of giving RHCSA exam, it's very good as I cleared my exam in my first attempt on May 2021 on RHCSA. And now if you are planning to give RHCSA exam or you have already registered for it, then you need to remind one thing, that if you want to clear it in your first attempt, then the main thing that help you is practice. The more you practice, the more clear your doubts will be. You need the knowledge of some basic concept in Linux to clear that. Just remind one thing, practice, practice, practice. More you practice, more clear your doubts will be. Now, talking about from where you can practice, as there are a lot of stuff available over the internet and you can find and learn from that. And also, I am going to upload full video series for RHCSA certification preparation, in which I am covering all important topics for that exam. So if you are a beginner or an advanced user, you can watch my video series to brush up your knowledge that might help you to clear your exam. I can assure you that if you watch this series and practice accordingly, you can easily clear your RHCSA certification exam in your first attempt. I'm 100% sure about this. But you need to practice. And I'm going to upload a video every day. So be prepared with the virtual machine, as this video series consists of 90% practical. More than 90% practical. And you can use CentOS 8 to practice in your virtual machine. So create a virtual machine with the CentOS 8 ISO that is easily available on the internet. It is similar to the RHCSA, so you can practice easily. And be ready, as the first video is coming tomorrow. So if you have any questions regarding the RHCSA certification exam or my video series, you can ask me in the comment section below, or in my social media handles given on the screen, or in the link is in description below. So for now, this is the end of the video. Now bye and take care.